Hello and welcome to our video on hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil. Hydroponics is becoming increasingly popular as it offers several advantages over traditional soil-based gardening. Firstly, hydroponics uses less water as the water used is constantly recycled, reducing wastage. Additionally, it allows for faster plant growth, higher yields, and better control over the growing environment. So, how does hydroponics work? Essentially, hydroponics involves growing plants in a nutrient-rich solution instead of soil. This solution is constantly circulated around the plant roots, providing them with the necessary nutrients and oxygen to thrive. This solution is constantly circulated around the plant roots, providing them with the necessary nutrients and oxygen to thrive. There are several different types of hydroponic systems, including deep water culture, nutrient film technique, drip irrigation, and aeroponics. Deep water culture. It is a type of hydroponic system where the plant roots are suspended in a nutrient-rich water solution. The plants are usually placed in net pots, which allow the roots to hang down into the water below. These systems are relatively easy to set up and maintain, and they are particularly well suited for growing leafy greens like lettuce, kale, and chard. However, they can also be used to grow other plants like herbs, strawberries, and even some fruiting plants like tomatoes and peppers. One of the main advantages of this system is that it provides a high level of oxygen to the roots, which can result in faster growth rates and higher yields compared to other hydroponic systems. Additionally, it is a low-maintenance system, as it requires minimal monitoring and can run for extended periods without the need for nutrient solution changes. The nutrient film technique, NFT. It is a hydroponic system where a shallow stream of nutrient-rich water is circulated over the roots of the plants. In this system, plants are typically grown in channels or troughs, with the roots suspended in a thin film of nutrient solution. The nutrient solution is continuously circulated over the roots, providing them with the necessary nutrients and oxygen to grow. The roots are exposed to air, which helps them absorb oxygen and prevents them from becoming waterlogged. Drip irrigation type of hydroponic system where nutrient-rich water is dripped onto the roots of the plants through a network of tubes or emitters. The plants are typically grown in a soilless medium like coconut coir or rock wool, and the nutrient solution is delivered directly to the root zone. In a drip irrigation system, a pump is used to circulate the nutrient solution through the tubes or emitters, delivering a precise amount of water and nutrients to each plant. The drip system can be set up to deliver water and nutrients on a schedule, ensuring that the plants receive consistent and optimal growing conditions. Drip irrigation systems are highly efficient, as they use less water than other hydroponic systems, and the water is delivered directly to the root zone, reducing wastage. Additionally, the system allows for precise control over the nutrient and pH levels, which can result in higher yields and healthier plants. Aeroponics. It is a type of hydroponic system where plants are grown in a mist or fog of nutrient-rich water. In an aeroponic system, the plant roots are suspended in air and misted with a nutrient solution at regular intervals. The mist is usually created by a high-pressure pump and sprayed onto the roots through fine nozzles or misters. This allows the roots to absorb the necessary nutrients and oxygen directly from the mist. The mist is usually created by a high-pressure pump and sprayed onto the roots through fine nozzles or misters. This allows the roots to absorb the necessary nutrients and oxygen directly from the mist. One of the main advantages of aeroponics is that it provides a high level of oxygen to the roots, which can result in faster growth rates and higher yields compared to other hydroponic systems. Additionally, because the roots are suspended in air, they are less likely to suffer from diseases or pests that are common in soil-based gardening. Each system has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to research and choose the right one for your needs. One of the main advantages of hydroponics is the ability to grow plants in any location, including urban areas or areas with poor soil quality. This is because hydroponics allows for complete control over the growing environment, including temperature, humidity, and nutrient levels. Another advantage of hydroponics is the ability to grow crops year-round, regardless of the season. This is because the growing environment can be easily modified to suit the needs of the plants, ensuring optimal growth and yields. In terms of the plants that can be grown using hydroponics, the possibilities are endless. Everything from leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, to fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers, and even herbs like basil and mint can be grown using hydroponics. In conclusion, hydroponics is a highly efficient and effective method of growing plants, with numerous benefits over traditional soil-based gardening. With the right equipment and knowledge, hydroponics can be a great way to grow fresh produce at home or on a larger scale.